Good afternoon student, we continue the chapter number 2 sequences and series. त्यातला आपण पॉइंट्स पाहतोय 2.5 harmonic progression. Definition of harmonic progression is a sequence T1, T2, T3 up to Tn is called AHP. म्हणजेच harmonic progression if 1 upon T1, 1 upon T2, 1 upon T3, 1 upon Tn are in AP. So reciprocal of the terms are in AP, then that sequence is called HP. For example, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 11, 1 upon 15 up to infinity are in HP as reciprocal of 1 upon 7 is 7, reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is 11, reciprocal of 1 upon 15 is 15. So difference of 11 minus 7 is 4. Difference of 15 minus 11 is 4. So difference is constant. So this sequence is in AP. So this sequence is in AP. So reciprocal of this sequence means this sequence are in HP. Now second example is 1 upon 4, 16 by 3. Sorry, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 14, 3 upon 16 are in HP. As reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4, reciprocal of 3 upon 14 is 14 by 3, and reciprocal of this term is 16 by 3. So difference is 14 by 3 minus 4 is 14, minus 3 4s are 12 divided by 3. So this is 2 by 3. Now difference of third term minus second term, 16 by 3 minus 14 by 3 is equal to 16 minus 14 is 2, denominator is same. So difference of second term minus first, third term minus second is same, constant, 2 by 3. So this sequence 4, 14 by 3, 16 by 3 are in AP. These sequence are in AP. So reciprocal of this sequence 1 upon 4, reciprocal of this sequence is 3 by 14, reciprocal of this sequence this term is 3 by 16 are in HP. Okay, clear? Sequence HP मध्ये आहे असं कधी म्हणायचं जेव्हा reciprocal of that terms are in AP. Now we will take nth term. फाइंड कशी करायची? nth term. आता nth term of AP सांगता येईल का? nth term of AP, nth term of AP is काय असते nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term of AP is this. So reciprocal of nth term of HP म्हणजे रेसिप्रोकल घ्यायचा याचा. ह्या nth टर्मचा काय घ्यायचा? रेसिप्रोकल. आपण एक एग्जांपल घेऊया. फाइंड द nth term. Find the nth term of HP. HP दिलेली आहे 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 2 by 7. So we have to find the nth term of this HP. So reciprocal of these terms means 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2 are in AP. So we have to first find the reciprocal of, we have to first find the nth term of AP. So reciprocal of these terms is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So these terms are in HP. So these terms are in AP. So here first term is 2 and D difference. Second term minus first term is 5 minus 4 upon 2. So this is 1 by 2. So therefore nth term of HP, nth term of AP is formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is here 2 plus n minus 1 and D is 1 by 2. So this is nth term. Now simplify केलं तर काही 2 plus n by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 ने ह्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे असेल. आता 2 minus 1 by 2 काय होईल? क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करूया. 2 आधी टर्म्स व्यवस्थित लिहा. आता 2 2 जा 4 minus 1 upon 2 plus n by 2. So 3 by 2. So nth term of AP is 3 by 2 plus n by 2. This is nth term of AP. Therefore, nth term, so we can write this as 3 plus n upon 2 or n plus 3 upon 2. Therefore, nth term of HP is, what is the nth term? Reciprocal of this term. So, reciprocal of this term is 2 upon n plus 3. Now, second example, find the nth term of HP. HP is 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7. So 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 7 are in HP. So reciprocal of these terms means 5. Well, reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 3 is minus 3. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 7 is minus 7 are in AP. So we have to find first nth term of this AP. So here A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So therefore nth term of AP is nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A is 5 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 4. So 5 minus 4 ने multiply करा minus 4n minus 1 minus 4 is plus 4. So this is 9 minus 4n. This is the nth term of AP. So therefore nth term of HP is reciprocal of this term 1 upon 9 minus 4n. होमवर्कला तुम्ही सॉल्व करा. एक्सरसाइज 2.4 मधले होमवर्कला एक्सरसाइज 2.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, त्यामध्ये 3 क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. व्हेरीफाय वेदर द फॉलोइंग सिक्वेन्सेस आर HP आहे का नाही चेक करायचे. HP आहे का नाही चेक करायचे म्हणजेच काय घ्यायचं, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दॅट टर्म्स आर इन AP. रेसिप्रोकल त्या टर्म्स जर AP मध्ये असेल तर त्या दिलेली सिक्वेन्स काय असेल, HP मध्ये असेल. त्यांचा रेसिप्रोकल घेऊन पाहायचा. रेसिप्रोकल जर AP आला तर म्हणायचं त्या सिक्वेन्स कशा आहेत, HP मध्ये आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मध्ये काय करायचं, nth टर्म फाइंड करायची आहे. nth टर्म फाइंड करून 8th टर्म पण फाइंड करायची. काय काय फाइंड करायचं, nth टर्म फाइंड करायची. nth टर्म फाइंड केल्यानंतर 8th टर्म n इज इक्वल टू काय पुट करायचं 8 आणि 8th टर्म काय करणार आहात तुम्ही फाइंड करणार आहात. 3 क्वेश्चन्स आहेत त्यामध्ये, तीनही सोडवा. 3 क्वेश्चन्स. ओके.